Get ready, get ready, get ready. South Africa, arise. They that call upon the name of the Lord shall be saved. And Annandale is arising, uniting in prayer. Hallelujah. On the 28th of June, 2025, we will be gathering as the church to pray and to call out unto our God. He says, call unto me, and I will show you great and mighty things. Bring your prayer petitions, your supplications. Bring it unto the Lord. He is the Lord our God, and He is almighty. He has no rival, He has no equal. He is Yahweh, He is our God. He is awaiting us to call upon Him and to come to Him, to cry out before Him. Shalom, shalom.